Once upon a time, in a small town, lived a little boy named Linguini. He loved spaghetti more than anything else in the world. One day, Linguini found an old, mysterious cookbook in his grandmother's attic. As he flipped through the pages, he came across a recipe for magic spaghetti. "This is too good to be true," thought Linguini. He gathered all the ingredients, following the recipe step by step. With a flick of his wrist and a sprinkle of magic dust, the spaghetti started to dance and twirl in the pot. Linguini watched in amazement as his kitchen turned into a magical spaghetti wonderland. The spaghetti stretched high into the sky, forming beautiful towers and bridges. It danced with him, twirled around him, and even sung him a little lullaby. Linguini was overjoyed. He had never seen anything so magical. He shared his magical spaghetti with his friends, and they all marveled at the wonders of the dish. But as the night grew darker, Linguini realized that the magic was fading. He knew he had to do something to keep the magic alive. With a hopeful heart, Linguini whispered a secret wish to the spaghetti. "I wish for the magic to last forever," he said. To his surprise, the spaghetti glowed brighter than ever before. The magic was now stronger than ever, and Linguini knew he had done something truly special. From that day on, Linguini and his friends enjoyed their magical spaghetti nights, laughing and playing in the enchanting world of pasta. And as they went to bed each night, they knew that their dreams would be filled with the magic of Linguini's spaghetti adventure. The end.